Scientists explain why your legs cramp at night and how to fix it. Cramps can be a real nightmare, especially those that happen through the night while you are sleeping. Cramps are uncomfortable sensations that affect the legs. They often occur during periods of inactivity. Causes of legs cramp at night. Although the underlying cause of legs cramps is unknown, health experts discover some potential causes of continually leg issues such as excessive exercise. You may get muscle cramps during or immediately after exercise. It mostly happens due to a deficiency of sodium and other electrolytes. Dehydration is probably a major reason why people experience leg cramps at night. When your body lacks fluids, your salt levels become decreased, and this weakens the tissues in your legs. Lack of potassium and other minerals like magnesium. Dates, bananas, broccoli, fish, pork, cabbage, and apricots provide excellent sources of potassium. Medical conditions that are suspected to trigger leg cramps are kidney disease, liver issues, and thyroid disease. Peripheral arterial disease and additional concerns with the cardiovascular system. Infections and toxins, mercury, lead, and other heavy metals. Here are a few tips on how to fix legs cramp. If you think your condition is provoked by medication, consult your doctor to utilize alternatives. Otherwise, try the following techniques. Massage and stretch the muscles with hands. Ice packs may also help. Stand up, walk, and jiggle your affected legs. Take a brief warm bath or shower. Lift the affected leg up and flex the foot upward toward the head. Limit any activity that may have caused the leg cramps. Hold your leg in a stretched position until the cramping ceases. Apply heat to muscles that feel tense or tight. Moreover, you need to stretch your leg muscles before going to bed. Thus will relax muscle tension and reduce the risk of experiencing a cramp while sleeping.